Hey everybody, here's Chica, and today, this is, because it's the 5th of November, is Bonfire Night, also known as Skyforce Night. I figured I might do a video with my Echo Dot to, just to let the dot know that, one or two things that you might not know about. And, as a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored whatsoever before anyone asks. Alexa, what is Skyforce Night?
Bonfire Night, a night of fireworks held on the 5th November to remember the gunpowder plot.
Alexa, who is Guy Fawkes?
Guy Fawkes, also known as Guido Fawkes while fighting for the Spanish, was a member of a group of provincial English Catholics who planned the failed gunpowder plot of 1605. He was born and educated in York, England. His father died when Fawkes was 8 years old, after which his mother married a recusant Catholic. Other customers have also asked, what is Guy Fawkes Day? Would you like to know the answer?
Yes, please.
Guy Fawkes Night, also known as Guy Fawkes Day, Bonfire Night, and Firework Night, is an annual commemoration observed on the 5th of November, primarily in the United Kingdom. Its history begins with the events of the 5th of November 1605 OS, when Guy Fawkes, a member of the gunpowder plot, was arrested while guarding explosives the plotters had placed beneath the House of Lords.
Alexa, remember the 5th of November.
The gunpowder treason and plot. I know of no reason why the gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. Or forgotten.
Oh, I know. I wonder how hot a bonfire is. Let's ask. Alexa, how hot does a bonfire get?
I don't know that one.
Alexa, how hot is a bonfire?
According to another Amazon customer, 2012 degrees Fahrenheit. A bonfire should be treated with respect as it can reach temperatures as hot as 1100 degrees Celsius, 2012 degrees Fahrenheit. That is hot enough to easily melt aluminum.
Well, damn, that's really hot. What other questions? Oh, I know. Alexa, how many fireworks are there?
According to another Amazon customer, fireworks are a class of low-explosive pyrotechnic devices used for aesthetic and, in the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland there are many fireworks.
Alexa, what is the best way to watch fireworks?
As fireworks make quite a racket, it's a good idea to bring a set of earplugs with you, especially if you're with young children.
That's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video, comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell thingy, and until next time, bye bye.